Welcome to Tryon Beach, British Columbia, Canada. So as you can see here, this camera is pointed up to that rock, and I'm looking up a couple of big birds on the top of the rock. So let's go ahead and use this camera to look what's in it. Look at that. So I'm going to magnify. Look at this one. The one at the left is a heron, and the two guys at the right are cormorant bird. Both of these birds are fish eaters. Very nice. Wow. So my lens here is a 150 to 500 Sigma and a Nikon ZF camera.